Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Bitcoin's explosive new all-time high, where it surged by over 10% in just one day. If you're following Bitcoin or the broader crypto market, then you know this is a big moment. But what's really driving this push, and is it sustainable? Let's get into the latest data, what the experts are watching, and the key factors that could influence where Bitcoin goes next. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps us reach more people with these crypto updates. So first up, what's behind Bitcoin's recent surge? On November 6th, Bitcoin rocketed to $75,350, setting a new all-time high. The move was big, over 10% in a single day. And part of the reason? Surprisingly, it's tied to the US election results. Former President Donald Trump won the 2024 election, and markets are reacting. Some investors believe his policies could fuel institutional adoption of Bitcoin, especially if he pushes for less restrictive regulation around cryptocurrencies. That's one reason traders are feeling bullish. Now let's look at what's happening under the hood in the Bitcoin derivatives market. This is where things get interesting, and might explain why this rally could have legs. One major metric to look at is the futures premium. Bitcoin futures on average are showing a 12% premium over the spot price. Usually a range of 5 to 10% is considered neutral, so this jump signals that there's real optimism. Futures traders are essentially saying, we believe Bitcoin will keep going up. But there's a twist. Despite the optimism, many traders are cautious. They're still remembering 6 tough months where BTC couldn't hold above $72,000. So why the mixed feelings? A few reasons. First, many traders are cautious because of the Federal Reserve's upcoming interest rate decision. On November 7th, just a day after this rally, the Fed will announce whether it's adjusting rates. Right now, the market is expecting a slight 0.25% rate cut, but the decision could impact stocks more than crypto. If stocks rally, it could pull some attention and money away from Bitcoin. Then there's Trump's agenda. He's signaling a return to nationalist policies with import tariffs and higher taxes on U.S. companies that move jobs overseas. While this might shake up the economy and even boost BTC as a hedge in the short term, it could also make markets volatile and reduce Bitcoin's appeal if the U.S. debt situation improves under his administration. Another important indicator? Bitcoin's options market, where traders balance between calls, buy options, and puts, sell options. Right now, the 25% delta skew, a technical measure in options, is hovering at around 6%, showing a cautious but positive outlook. This balanced outlook is a good sign. It means we're not seeing extreme bullish or bearish sentiment. When markets stay this neutral, it often gives Bitcoin more stability, supporting gradual growth instead of volatile spikes. Let's zoom out a bit. The rise in U.S. Treasury yields is another factor that could impact Bitcoin's future. The 5-year yield recently hit 4.28%, which is significant. High yields typically suggest investors expect economic uncertainty, and if the Fed is forced to stimulate the economy, it could mean higher Bitcoin demand as a hedge against inflation. On the flip side, if the U.S. economy shows signs of stability or improved debt management, investors might lean more on traditional assets than on Bitcoin as a hedge. So, there's some real back and forth tension here in the broader market. Alright, so what's the takeaway here? Bitcoin's all-time high is a massive milestone, and with Trump's win, there's a renewed optimism about regulatory support for crypto. The futures and options markets are both pointing to a cautiously bullish trend, which is often a good indicator that a steady climb might follow. There's no excessive leverage, which means the market is less likely to see a big drop due to overextended positions. But it's not all clear skies. The Fed's upcoming rate decision, the economic impact of Trump's policies, and the U.S. debt situation are all factors that could make or break Bitcoin's momentum. So, is Bitcoin poised for a new bull run, or are we in for some turbulence? With so many factors at play, this is definitely one of those times to stay informed and keep a close eye on both crypto and traditional markets. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you bullish, or are you taking a wait-and-see approach with Bitcoin? Drop your thoughts below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new here. I'm posting updates every week, so turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.